the dreaded pothole, lurking beneath the surface, waiting to strike.
He'll be back, so stay tuned. Potholes don't just appear overnight. It's a slow, destructive process. So how do potholes form? It's not just wear and tear, it's science in action. Roads are built in layers designed to handle traffic and weather. But over time, small cracks can appear due to traffic fatigue, temperature changes, or poor construction. These are known as alligator or crocodile cracks, named after their scaly pattern that looks just like the reptiles. Great to spot in the wild, but not on a road surface. The cracks let water sneak in, creating gaps and weakening the road from within, like nature's slow-motion demolition crew. Then, traffic does the rest, pounding the weak spots until, poof, a pothole is born. Growing and growing until bang! You now have a hole in your wallet, or worse. ARB Systems helps road agencies stop potholes in their tracks with scientific assessments and the right treatments. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we dive even deeper into road mysteries.